I didn't see you there. I often come here and contemplate the questions such as the true nature of reality, as all philosophers have from time to time. I ask myself on this day the fundamental question, the most fundamental question of all. Who am I? I ask you this not to separate myself from you. No, far from that. In fact, I ask you this to have you realize that you are in fact the same as me. The universe, the stars, the sky, you partake in this epic symphony. That which is not separate from you. You, in fact, are the closed door. Your mind, the veil of thoughts, convinces you that you are different than reality, than your environment. I have met myself 1,000 times. I am you, you are me. Once you see this, you begin to remove yourself from the separation. You remove yourself from the creation of the other. You refuse to partake in this divine comedy. I myself, being a guru, a wise man, years and years of practice, of study, of meditation, have come to realize the same things that all great thinkers do. We are not that which we seem to be. In fact, we are far more than material constructs. We are, in fact, the universe, the entirety. Boom. 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 Listen to the sound of one hand clapping. Thank you.